Hello everyone, these are the readings, love readings for the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and this is from 9 to 15th of August, and this may not resonate with each one of you, but please take whatever resonates with you and leave whatever does not. So let's begin. I've already taken out the cards, love messages for you Aquarians, and your love messages are: deep in your heart you already know the answer, do what feels right. And time for your person, time, you are trying too hard, give it time. So you need time, you need to give each other space and time. So I'll first begin with your reading first, Aquarius. So I think your intuition is very strong at this time, you already know the answer. All right, now let's see what is your answer here. What is the message, my love team? Please give the message for the Aquarius collective. Okay, in the near past, in the recent past, you have Two of Cups here. In the present moment, you have the Nine of Wands here. In the near future, you have the Page of Cups here. In your challenge, you have the Judgment card, and in the advice, you have the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck, you have the Queen of Cups in the reverse. Now, I feel that Aquarians, that in the recent past, you had a very, very lovely relationship with this person. There was a lot of love between you two. Seems to be a soul connection also here. And you were on the same page. Both of you were on the same page, in the recent past. In the present moment, you have Nine of Wands. That means there were a lot of challenges in your relationship. There was a lot of challenges in your relationship, and one after the other, one after the other. So you were kind of like, you had given up on this card. You had actually, you had now in the present moment you have given up on fighting these challenges. You are kind of tired presently, Aquarius. Now in the near future, you have the Page of Cups here. So maybe somebody or your person might be, or you or your person might be offering an apology here, and there's an apology coming here. The person has an offer of love for you also in the near future, Aquarius. So you could be offering apology to that person. Now in your challenge, you have the Judgment card. So this is a karmic card, and you have to take a decision very wisely. You have to listen to your inner voice here. So because once you listen to your inner voice, you will get your answers, because you also have the message that deep in your heart you already know the answer, and do what feels right. Exactly, you already know the answer. What is the answer? You should trust your inner voice, you should trust your intuition here as to how to resolve your issues here. And in your advice, you have the Hierophant. So there should be commitment here, Aquarius. You have to be committed to your relationship, and this is also showing marriage. This is also showing taking your relationship to another level altogether. So this is your challenge. Your challenge is that if you want to take your relationship to another level, Aquarius, then you have to offer an apology. You have to listen to your inner voice. Okay, and you should trust whatever you feel from inside. Now let's do for your person, Aquarius. What is the message for your person, Aquarius? My love team, please give the message for the Aquarians. And if you think that you do not have love for that person, then I think you'll have to rethink about your relationship here, whether you want to give it up or not, whether you want to close your relationship. Now I want to clarify for your person. How does your person feel? Time, you are trying too hard, give it time. Okay, now love team, please give me the answers. Give me what is the message for the person of the Aquarius. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so in the recent past, you have the Five of Wands. In the present moment, you have the Eight of Cups. In the near future, you have the Seven of Wands, and in the challenge position, you have the Strength here. And in your in your advice, you have the Ten of Cups here. Alright, so your person needs time. In the recent past, there was a lot of disagreement, there was a lot of conflict here with the Five of Wands, and you've come out of that conflict. There were disagreements here, and not willing to listen to another person's perspective or opinion. You should also be compassionate enough to listen to the other person also. And in the present moment, you have the Eight of Cups. So somebody walked away from the relationship, and they might be coming back thinking of you. They were quite disappointed by all this disagreement and conflict there. And in the near future, there seems to be that this person has really given up also. They have accepted kind of defeat. They are not defending their position anymore. They are not defending their stand here. Actually, the Five of Wands speaks that you should listen to the other person's point of view also. So you might be, in the near past, that person has stopped defending himself or herself. They have given up kind of. They have left it to you maybe. They need time. They are thinking over it. Now your challenge is Strength. So your challenge, this is a Leo season, and you've got the Strength card, which is also a Leo card. You can see this woman opening the mouth of a lion. That means overcoming obstacles. Your challenge is that you have to tolerate a lot, you have to endure a lot, and you are trying to, you will be needing a lot of courage to face the challenges in order to have this Ten of Cups energy. This is your advice, that if you want this kind of happiness, if you want a long-term relationship with this person, then you need to solve your problems, disagreements, difference of opinion in the near future. You need strength for that, you need courage for that. You've endured a lot. So for this energy, your advice is that you should solve your problems, and then you will get into this energy of Ten of Cups. So this is what I have for you, Aquarians. I hope this resonates with you, and thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.